Today we're going to cover one of the most popular indicators in trading, the MACD indicator. In this video we'll take you through a complete guide to the MACD indicator, including what it is and how to use it in your trading. So, let's get started. Go to the indicator section and select the indicator. Follow my proven strategies and start making profits. Discover the secrets to successful trading with my expert guidance. My strategies are designed to help you identify high-probability trading opportunities, manage risk and maximize returns, improve your overall trading performance. Join me on this trading journey and start achieving your financial goals. Let's get started. Number 1. What is the MACD indicator? The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a trend-following indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages. It was developed by Gerald Appel in the 1970s and has since become one of the most widely used indicators in trading. The MACD indicator is calculated by subtracting the 26-period exponential moving average from the 12-period exponential moving average. Number 2. MACD components. The MACD indicator has three main components. 1. The MACD line. This is the main line that shows the difference between the two moving averages. 2. The signal line. This is a 9-period exponential moving average of the MACD line. 3. The histogram. This shows the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. Each of these components provides valuable information about the trend and momentum of the market. Number 3. MACD trading strategies. There are several trading strategies that use the MACD indicator. 1. Crossovers. Buy when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, and sell when it crosses below. 2. Divergences. Buy when the MACD line is making higher lows while the price is making low. And sell when the MACD line is making lower highs while the price is making higher highs. 3. Zero line crossovers. Buy when the MACD line crosses above the zero line, and sell when it crosses below. These are just a few examples of how you can use the MACD indicator in your trading. That's it for today's video on the MACD indicator. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to use the MACD in your trading. Remember, the MACD is just one tool among many that you can use to improve your trading. You see my Telegram daily signal services. Enjoy the session. Subscribe our channel for more trading videos and tutorials. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and market analysis. And don't forget to like and comment on this video if you found it helpful.